I actually approached quite a few people, big providers as well. And all in all, I probably had about 5 different quotations, and I really wanted a company that did everything all in from start to finish. A smaller company that's truly family run, and that is definitely Eclipse. And I wanted that personal touch. Very professional, very detailed in their approach. Plans that were sent to me, liaising with project managers, dealing with the same engineer or same builder each time. There was just a consistency throughout. I'm in the town centre, parking's an issue, we're in a small space. We were reducing a big room to 2 smaller rooms, and we had to be fully operational at all points. We couldn't stop working. If ever I said there's an issue with something, it was acknowledged and fixed. I guess Eclipse were really pushed in getting that deadline for one surgery operation, to the point where some of their staff members were working until 9–10 p.m. just to make sure that room was ready for me, which I thought was above and beyond. I would say to have it all in-house, because there are issues that will come. If you go for a company that say, that will be done in 2 weeks, and yeah, I don't see any issues, well, no, you're going to have issues and things get uncovered, things happen, but I think it definitely takes a big burden off you, when really your focus should be on running a practice and seeing patients. It's given me more space than I imagined I would get. It's given me a very professional, sleek look to the practice with beautiful finishing. I'm overjoyed. I don't miss having the huge surgery because it's been designed so well. Many of them are calling it a dental spa. They have been impressed. My staff are overjoyed as well. We needed the additional space, and I was very impressed throughout.